know that reliability and quick, painless installs are important, and that's why for the last 7 years we've had the brightest, most robust load display on the market. HiBeam runs on 24 to 240 volts, so it'll work on any crane, and has a stainless steel case, so it'll work in any environment. It also comes pre-calibrated, so it can be installed by anyone with just a screwdriver. We know that load displays are highly visible to your customers, and that's why we make the brightest display on the market, visible in direct sunlight and clearly readable from 20 meters.
Folks, this is an Amalgamated Instruments HB200 display. This is a good display. They've been around for ages. They've sold thousands of them. I'm sure you've encountered them. It's a box about so big and generally requires a substantial mounting bracket because it weighs in at 9.45 kilos on its own. This is a HiBeam 200. It has the same digit height, has 5 digits, is considerably smaller, weighs 1.8 kilos with the bracket. This one you configure by flipping this lid up and reaching up inside and pushing 2 buttons whilst you have a load on the hook. This you calibrate wirelessly from the ground. This is a drop-in replacement for every load display in the market, including the expensive OEM Kone and Airbus ones. This you need a 15-digit long order number to be able to specify the right gear. This one retails with a load cell somewhere around the $2,500 mark. This, with a load cell pre-calibrated so you don't need any test weights, retails for about $1,600.
We know that price is important, and that's why we automate our manufacturing process to deliver the best quality, most functional display at the lowest price. We know your customers need more value from your cranes, and that's why we make a display that can be installed in under 20 minutes. And can send SMS alerts as soon as an overload occurs. So if you need to replace an A-bus, cone cranes, DMAG or Stahl load display, or you want to retrofit a new load indicator to an existing crane, choose Sol Digital's HB200, the brightest, most reliable load display anywhere on the market today. For more information, visit soldigital.com.au.